Welcome back, meditators. It's day 4, and today we're diving into something really powerful: observing the sensations in your body. By tuning into these feelings without judgment, you'll discover a new level of mindfulness and self awareness. If this is your first day, I will recommend starting from day 1. The link will be in the description. Now, find your most comfortable position. You can choose to sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Keep your back upright but not uptight. You can gently close your eyes and bring your awareness in the present. Begin to notice your breath as it is, without trying to change it. We are simply observing the natural rhythm of your breath. Let's begin by focusing on the sensations of your breath. Bring your awareness to your nostrils, noticing any sensations as the air moves in and out. You might feel the coolness as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Now, for the next minute, keep your awareness on the sensations near your nostrils as you keep breathing. If you find yourself becoming distracted, instead of becoming frustrated or angry, the first thing you can do is to simply relax and accept that you were distracted. Sometimes when that happens, it really helps when you either laugh or just take it lightly by saying, "Okay, mind, I see you, but right now I want you to focus on the sensations." Then release the distraction and simply return to observing the sensations of your breath. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Notice any sensations that arise. Maybe it's warmth in your chest, coolness in your fingers, or perhaps tightness in your body. Whatever you feel, we are simply observing it. Don't try to change it or judge it in any way. Sensations come and go, just like the waves in the ocean. You might notice with every breath, your belly is expanding and contracting. Simply notice this art of impermanence. This also teaches us that everything is changing and we can simply observe and let go. Now gradually move your awareness through your body and observe the sensations in each area one by one. Some might be more intense and some might be subtle. Try to simply notice without stopping the unpleasant sensations or getting attached to the pleasant ones. Let it come and go. Now, spend the next few moments in observing these sensations in your body. Your chest, your arms, your stomach, your legs, if your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to the sensations you're feeling in the body. Now take a mindful breath in, and as you exhale, relax into those sensations, letting them simply be. You've done an amazing job today. By simply noticing your body's sensations, you're cultivating deeper mindfulness and presence. Take one more mindful breath, and as you exhale, open your eyes if you're ready. Tomorrow, we'll tune into the world around us by focusing on our speech and silence. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you.